Yo, everybody, welcome back to the lair of today's program, Pluto, Mixtape Pluto. Let's get it. Break it down for y'all real quick. So I started out with this phrase called our tag from our multi-kit. All of our phrases are time stretched. You just drag it up and shit is ready, and all of our phrases in C minor or C major. And as far as the BPM go, I forgot to mention all of his songs in this project was made around 130 150 BPM, so I just went 138. So then I just pitched it up one to make it C sharp, and then I chopped it like this. Nothing crazy, made it more rhythmic, and also threw some reverb on it, some delay, cut out some lows to 100. And right after that, I just threw some weight on it. Then snare, just regular snare, you feel me? This popular one with some counter snares. And then I had just like a regular two-step with these runs, these notes. And then I also did this run right at the end of the 4th and 8th bar to make a cool transition to the next part. I took 1/3 step and I did this. But then the main idea was pretty much done. Then I started to build around it. Then I threw this phrase also from Mio's kit. Yo! Crazy. Then I did this piano from Contact, Basic Felt, Noir, and it's just raw. Just cut out some pulse. So let me break it down for y'all real quick. So it's just like basic minor chord like this, and I pitched up E1 octave. And then this note is tension note. You might see it in drill beats. Metro uses this shit a lot, and just some of rhythm notes. And then I did this run. By themselves, these notes sounds kind of goofy, but when you layer them with these notes, they start to sound like Nardu-ish, Metro-ish, a little bit goofy, but like dark in a mix. The shit sounds cool as fuck. And that's it though. Then some bell, just regular C sharp. And the last one, it was pretty much done, but I had to put some sauce on it, and I ended up putting this flute. This one is free if I'm not mistaken, and I just did this. Let me play it with the piano. So at first I just mess with some notes here and there, and when you make flute patterns, make these like little runs, you know, this shit's kind of more natural. So I did this piece. Then I just copy and pasted here, just inverted these notes, you feel me? And also copy and pasted here, but I moved F sharp to E and E to G sharp, and I made this like triplet run, nothing crazy, and just filled it up with this one. This flute has this crazy feature I really like, this like sliding shit. It makes it more natural. And then I just took this, moved up 1 octave, and as you can see, these notes not playing because this note is the limit. And I heard this, I was like, oh, this shit sound hard, and I build off from this. You can variate your patterns, like let's say 4 bars like this, and then all another like rhythm, but make sure this rhythm not fucking up the artist's flow and the whole like vibe of the beat. It's kind of the price you're paying for the different pattern. I don't fuck with this like C sharp then A5, like 2 octaves difference. Shit crazy, you feel me? And then my homie suggested me to throw Portal on it with this preset drone shifter. Shit is crazy. And I had to put in left because it was in one ear at first. And then I just exported this piece, and my homie just went here and fucked around with this. So it was like that, like that. Transition to the verse. Boom. In the end, I just threw this wire This one I audio clear solo V2. You can make crazy transition right here, or outro. Really great for the transition, this plugin. So yeah, that's pretty much it, gang. I appreciate you watching this. Cop free our kid. Be safe out there, please.